Hey guys, it's Brandon, and in today's video I traveled to Stockholm, Sweden and Malmo, Sweden. We took a cruise ship to Sweden before heading to Norway. Take a look. So we arrived in Stockholm, Sweden, coming from Helsinki, and here is the shot of the Royal Palace, and also the Old Town. Here is the main square in Old Town. It's situated on an island.
In Switzerland, Stockholm.
Say that again?
Switzerland? Switzerland.
Sweden.
I can't say okay with an S. I'm pronouncing the word. But what is it again?
Sweden, Stockholm.
Sweden.
Stockholm.
Stockholm. There you go. Look this way.
So over here we have an amusement park.
Yeah, and Chi. Hello.
And we'll pan out. And right over there is what they call Old Town. Old buildings, and there's a tourist shopping strip that also connects to downtown. Take a look. And also the Royal Palace is somewhere in there. Anything else to say, Chi?
Yes. I wanted to add Sweden has the most expensive taxpayer. Guess how much it is? 60%. Is it? Okay, good. I thought so. Anyway, I wouldn't able to afford it if I were to live here.
And also don't take the taxi here.
Yes, and also don't take the taxi. Overpriced. And they rip you off.
So after Stockholm, the cruise ship arrived in Copenhagen, where we rented a car and drove over to Malmo, Sweden. It was a Sunday, so it was very quiet. On Sunday, a lot of businesses are closed. So this is the main center of Malmo. This is Malmo, Sweden. See?
We're in Malmo, Sweden, and today is Sunday. And as you can see, apparently in Europe they call it the day of rest because most places are closed, including McDonald's over there. The food, the restaurants, shopping mall, everyone's resting. So which is really great. So I wish Canada's are like that. So yeah, so Brenda and I were just walking around enjoying our sightseeing in Malmo. Hello.
Are we, Chi?
So we're in Ikea right now, but apparently this Ikea it's in Sweden. Malmo. Huh? First Ikea in Sweden.
In the world.
In the world, actually. And I'm very excited. I'm about to go in right now, so follow me.
What are you eating?
This tastes really good. Very salty.
Well,
Sweden bean soup. Ooh, very tasty.
How is it?
Very salty.
You're supposed to dip it with the pancake.